Let's talk about Codoki AI, the teammate that can take your code from good to great 50 times faster. Codoki AI is an intelligent software tool that helps developers tackle code-related challenges faster. It automates bug fixes, code refactoring, and reduces technical debt, allowing your team to focus on innovation instead of maintenance. Technical debt, unresolved bugs, and inefficient code can slow down any team. Codoki transforms these issues into productive engineering time by reducing the growing backlogs of bugs, eliminating time sinks like manual debugging, and boosting overall development velocity. By using Codoki, your team can save 20 to 60% on bug fixing time, accelerate delivery, and reduce development costs. The result? More innovation, fewer delays, and smoother workflows. If you want to boost your team's productivity and ship code faster, Codoki AI is a must try.